Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. My name is Sonam and in this video we will unbox and review the Lavanya Box March 2019 edition. It's a very affordable beauty subscription box priced at just Rs 299 plus 50 for shipping, and it's even a personalized box, so you will have choice options in the shades of the makeup and even for the jewelry design. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. So this is our simple brown cardboard box that says Lavanya on it. And once we open, we have the pricing details and the products. Some of them are bubble wrapped as well. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product, and a star product in my opinion for this box, is this SFR Color Contour Highlight Blush Kit. So you have a bronzer, you have two blushes and a highlighter here. This is how the shades look like. Beautiful shades, and both the blush colors are so perfect for the upcoming summers, a peach and a pink color. This is in the number 03. So you do have all different shade options in this, so you can choose as per your liking. And this brand is now featured in Fab Bag and all expensive subscription boxes. It's a decent brand. I like the quality. It's okay-ish for the price tag it is offered at, and when I get it in boxes which are around this price range, I'm definitely happy to receive it. And another good thing is that we have shade choice. Then the second makeup product we have is this Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick. It is a sealed pack and the shade I have chosen is number 23. So there are different shade options from which you can choose. Net weight is 3.8 grams, best before 5/20/21. So let's open it and see. So that is how the packaging looks like. It's a matte finish and definitely very luxurious and amazing packaging. And this is how the shade I chose looks like. I have been very experimental with the shades nowadays. I think you guys can know that from my videos. So I am choosing some different colors other than the usuals, reds, pinks and all. So let's swatch this. So this particular shade has some golden glitters in it, which makes it like a satiny or shiny finish. It's not a matte finish if you choose this particular shade, and it's a beautiful purple shade. I didn't have anything like this, and purples and these lavender kind of shades is so much in trend. So I thought why not give it a try, so that's why I chose this. You do have the pure matte shades. I have shown you swatches of that in my previous Lavanya boxes as well. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it now. But yeah, this is a new shade and I'm looking forward to trying this one. It's very trendy and it will look good on most skin tones. You just have to pull it off with confidence, that's it. Then after makeup we have skincare, and here we have the Humblebee Mint Lip Balm, which is a 8 gram size. Full size of course, and the cost of this is 299 rupees. The ingredients have petroleum jelly, color, essence and vitamin E. So it's not having a lot of amazing ingredients, to be honest, because it has petroleum jelly. So I think this price is not very justified, but it's a mint lip balm and you know, lip balms are always good. It's having a nice fragrance also. It will be a clear lip balm without any color. I'm definitely happy to receive this one. Next we have some jewelry here. So the first one which has choice option is this. It's a beautiful oxidized silver ring with a mirror in it, and you have a choice of design for this. I'm showing you all the choice options here, and as you can see, the quality and the finishing of this is very good, and it's a decent size guys. It's not too big also, and it is adjustable, so it will fit all of you guys. And this is how it looks. You can wear it like individually as a statement piece. Don't wear anything else, it will definitely look good. Being a ring lover myself, I did like this one a lot. And next we have a simple golden bracelet like this. It's a stretchable or you know, flexible one. You can just wrap it around your wrist. So again, this is something that will fit every wrist, no matter how thin or thick your wrists are. And yeah, it's very basic. It looks like a khada or a bangle, so goes with most of your outfits like suits, kurtis and even you know, jeans and all. You can carry this off. And we have a small additional jewelry which is a holy gift. So we have these cute kitties and I really like them. So these are just small stud earrings, but I love the kitties here. I like such studs also because for daily use this is something that I use. So that's all we had in the March 2019 edition of Lavanya Box. And this is the note they have sent. It says Happy Holi and with love from Team Lavanya. And here are all the pricing details mentioned. The contour palette is for 300 rupees, matte lipstick for 210, lip balm for 299, bracelet for 125, ring for 99. I feel all the prices are very justified and genuine pricing is done. We have a surprise gift, that's a small stud, and all of these you get for 299 rupees. The overall worth is definitely much more, but just look at what all you have got. You have got a lipstick, you have got a set of blush, bronzer and highlighter, and both of them have shade choice, so really good. A lip balm, I love the ring, some bracelet and some more jewelry, so definitely a great combination, such an affordable price tag of just 299. I mean, these brands are now coming in boxes which are like 600 or more. Compared to them, this is a much better choice. If you liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.